na ni mo good afternoon ganina. Katawa mo ko niyo.
Fantastic. Okay, let's see your stance. Okay, Kenny, Trisha, Chanel, and Sam. Okay, walk there, please. Walk towards the mirror. Okay. Your stance. Now is the time to sit down, okay? Ladies, Kenny, go sit down, please. Okay. Go towards the seat, everybody. Turn around, okay. Let's see your stance again, and you may now take your seat. Yeah, okay. Fantastic. Look at yourselves in front of the mirror. Look at yourselves in the mirror. See how wonderful you look.